Hello friends. So this video is more of educational. It's about why you should trade or invest in stock market and why you shouldn't. So I'll try to list down both perspectives and you can choose. Of course, I would recommend that you should. So to start with, first of all, let's see why you should be a trader or maybe a part-time trader. Number one, those who are working for any company, they're actually dependent on paycheck. The paycheck is actually the most unreliable source of income. Moreover, with paycheck, whatever position you could be in the company, you can never make wealth because paychecks are designed to cover your expenses. Of course, as the paycheck increases, your expenses also does. So basic with paycheck, you can never create wealth. Now how can you create wealth? You can only create wealth if you own a company or if you own shares of a company. You would say, why not go for a startup? Yes, of course you can, and you can make much more money by being an entrepreneur than investing in stock market. However, let's say you don't want to do it because of the risks uh, it involves. You need to probably quit your job for a few years. You would have very high uncertainty about your future. Now you want to avoid that but still be an entrepreneur and still want to create wealth. And the only way to do that is to be active in stock market, either as a long-term investor or as a short-term investor or as a trader. I would say every trader, even if you are part-time, you are an entrepreneur. And that's the way to create wealth. I won't say how much wealth because that depends on how much risks you take, how much knowledge you have about the markets, and how much you are willing to learn, and how much time you are willing to spend. Then, second point is why you shouldn't be a trader. I could actually think of very few points, although they are significant ones. Number one is you don't have extra capital. Now, you, there's nothing called extra capital, but the capital that you would save after parking some emergency savings as well. So you pay your EMIs, you take care of your basic expenses or daily expenses, and after that you also park some money for your emergency funds or for something that you put, let's say, in FD, although I hate FD, but whatever you put in FD, at least some money you should. After that, whatever is left over, if you don't have the significant amount of cash with you after all these expenses, then you shouldn't be a trader. Second is, if you are psychologically weak, stock market is not for weak heart. So I would say that avoid trading if you are not if you cannot see losses on screen. Still, you can start with long-term investing. You can pick some good companies or good mutual funds. By discussing with your financial advisor, you can always pick some stocks where you can invest for slightly long term. Now, in the end, I would say if you want to create wealth, you need to be owner of a company, and you cannot be owner of a company by being employee of a company. I read somewhere that wealth is the ability to survive for so many days. The more wealth you have, more days you can survive. And also, it is known that you can never create wealth by being an employee. So, in the end, I encourage everyone to create wealth. How you do it, that's something you have to decide. But one thing is for sure, that you cannot create wealth by being by living on paychecks. That's the end message. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great 2021.